Navigation in Maya revolves around the Alt button and a different mouse button. So if you want to rotate, it's Alt left mouse button. If you want to pan around, it's Alt and middle mouse button. And if you want to zoom, it's Alt right mouse button. This takes a little bit of getting used to if you come from another software or if you're not used to navigating in 3D, but it's honestly quite standard. So Alt left mouse button to navigate, to rotate, Alt middle mouse button to pan, and Alt right mouse button to zoom in and out. You can also use the scroll wheel as well. Currently, I'm recording using a mouse while recording, so I'm just using that. Or if I want to be quiet, I do this. We can also select the object and hit the F key to frame. F for frame. So if you select it, then you can just hit the F key, click on it, F, click on it, F, click on it, F. Really useful if you're in a crazy view like this and you really want to get the object in frame, you can do that. Just hit the F key. Or if you're zoomed crazy far out and you want to just frame something, hit the F key. We can also undo the camera view if we simply hit Alt and Z. Alt Z is going to undo it. So then we go back to that. And if you want to redo it, you hit Alt and Y. One thing to be aware when it comes to undo in Maya is that navigation undo is a separate stack. So let's say you were to move this up like this. We'll cover how to do this later on. And you Control Z. Now it will undo the selection. But it's not going to undo any camera views. So you can do this, move it around, and move the camera around like crazy, like this, and then hit Control Z again. It only will undo this one move. Another thing as well, which is quite handy in relation to navigation, is you see this tiny little gizmo down here? A lot of people are wondering, why do you actually need that? Well, in a case like this, now if you click up here, you can remove the grid, and we are upside down. It's really hard to see that we're upside down. So I've had students before who's modeled the entire scene upside down and just haven't thought about it. Well, in this case, you can easily see it like here. You can see now that the axis is completely flipped the wrong way. So we can just rotate around. And now if you look down here, when you rotate it, you can just see that we get into the correct space right away. Y is always up in Maya.